Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade. And this week, as you can see, I'm going to review the mind blown scallops that I found in Sprouts. So yes, it's another mind blown review. I found these dusted scallops at Sprouts. They're regularly $13.99, but they were on sale for $11.99. So I was like, hey, and let me go ahead and cook this and see what I think. So it has 80 calories, 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 910 milligrams of sodium, and 2 grams of protein. So here's how it looks. Again, I'm gonna actually cook this over some sauteed kale. I'm just gonna sear these on the oven over some grapeseed oil and vegan butter. Here's how they look fresh out the box. So you're gonna go ahead and put the stove on medium-high heat for both the kale and the vegan scallops. You add grapeseed oil, and as for these scallops, you're going to add vegan butter. So the instructions say to cook for 1 minute on each side. So I made sure that the scallops were laying properly on one side to make sure they were evenly cooked. I went ahead and gave my bell peppers and onions a stir just to make sure they were cooking thoroughly. So I did add some Old Bay, onion powder, cayenne, and parsley to the scallops just to give it a little bit more seasoning and spice. I gave the bell peppers and onions another stir. Now it's time to flip the scallops to cook the other side. I added a little bit more of grapeseed oil because I'm getting ready to add the diced kale. Now for the seasoning for the kale, I just added some pink Himalayan salt, onion powder, cayenne, and red pepper flakes. Go ahead and give the kale a good stir just to make sure everything is seasoning the kale and the bell peppers and onions. And you're going to keep periodically stirring the kale just to make sure it softens up. Now it's time to flip the scallops one more time just to make sure they are cooking thoroughly on both sides. And I added a little bit more seasoning. Both are now done, so you can go ahead and remove them from the stove. So once it's done, it looks like this. Doesn't it look delicious? Again, I just sauteed the kale and some grapeseed oil with bell peppers and onions. I just added onion powder, cayenne, and pink Himalayan salt, and some red pepper flakes. So here's a close-up. I did add some seasoning on these dusted scallops. So here we go. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is like dead on the texture of scallops. Oh my gosh. What? Amazing. Oh my gosh. Y'all need to go ahead. Y'all need to go ahead and get you one of these. It's scallops. It's not chicken salad. But yes, these are freaking amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all, mind blown. I see why they named it mind blown, because my mind is blown again. If y'all didn't see my the crab cake ones, the scallops have taken over. With my kale. Y'all, oh my gosh. The texture. I did add Old Bay, cayenne, and just some onion powder. I didn't add much, but it's the texture. Y'all, amazing. Definitely try this out for yourself. Mind blown. Y'all get a 10 out of 10. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. So anyways, while I enjoy these delicious scallops, go ahead and try them out for yourself. Again, I got them at Sprouts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Try this out. Go to Sprouts, order it, buy it, go order it, get it in Instacart, whatever you got to do. Go ahead and try it out. Be you, think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.